A samba success!
My dad's a whore!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's your turn, lovely carrot.
No.
We're here!
Get out of my sight!
Mac, Lil, Memmy is going to take us to the park to ride bikes today.
No, ride bike.
No? Why, Mac?
Shut the f*** up!
No? Why not, Mac?
He was touching!
What happened?
Ever.
Look, it's time to play dress up.
We do not care.
I wonder what we'll be today. Today, we're going to squeeze them. Brazil! Brazil? What is that?
Hey, Squidward, shut the fuck up.
It's a beautiful country in South America. Today, we're
And I
going
have
to...
Indonesia. What did I just say? What did I say?
I hear music. Did you hear it?
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
It makes me want to die.
My friends call me Pretty Patty Parrot.
You're ugly. You're disgusting. I'm going to kill you. Give me $200.
And I love to die. Do samba. Now,
Ugly?
Patty dance.
No!
Could use the practice for the big samba festival later today, which I hope you will come to with me.
No!
This is a very
Ugly?
jungle,
Ugly?
Patty.
Tall trees.
Wow!
But they're probably not up there today. Most of them are on their way to the samba festival, like us. I just wish I had a better hat to wear. Ooh, I think I need a lighter hat.
There are smaller fruits on some of these trees. Can't you just fly up and get some?
No!
I do not fly, ever.
But you're a bird. Birds fly.
You can't even fly and you're a bird!
I tried to fly once. Our nest was way up high, and the ground was way down low. I really did want to fly, so I decided to give it a try. And that's why I will never try to fly again, ever.
You can't even fly and you're a bird!
Maybe we could help you gather some fruit for your hat.
Will you?
No!
Shut up!
Ooh, look at the
Ugly?
fruit. Short. 1, 2, 3. The plant is short. And the fruit is short. It will look
Ugly?
in your hat,
Ugly?
Patty.
And that one.
I can't reach it.
You son of a bitch!
Got it.
Ugly?
Patty, you're flying.
What? Ah! Oh dear!
You're a fucking inanimate object! You're not real!
But I'll never fly ever.
Shut up!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This plant is short.
Guava fruit is round and green, and...
Ugly?
But it's too high up for any of us to reach it.
I gave up. Maybe Lovely Carrot could fly up and pick one for you.
No.
How's this one, Pretty Patty?
Too big,
How about this one?
too small,
This one?
too heavy,
This?
too light,
This?
too oval,
This?
too square. there.
This? Shut the fuck up! You're flying again.
Wasn't that fun?
Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Oh, that plant is
Short. 12. Short.
Oh, too bad. A banana would be a perfect way to finish off my hat.
If I had one.
Oh my. Help!
Short. We can't fly. No, we can't. But
Ugly?
Patty can.
Me? I can't fly.
You can't even fly and you're a bird!
Lovely Carrot really needs your help,
Ugly?
Patty. Won't you at least try?
No!
Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Hey, I can't do it. I can't fly this high.
Goodness, did you fly all the way up here? 12 carats high.
No!
God fucking damn it!
I can't fly.
Awful!
But now, can you get me out of this tree, please?
No!
Woohoo! Come on, follow me. I am flying to the Samba Festival.
Short. Is that where the Samba Festival is? Way up in that tree?
No.
Normally, I take the elevator to get up to it. But today, I'm going to fly! I still love dancing the samba, but now, thanks to you, there's something else I love just as much. Flying!
At least you can help celebrate my birthday, Kitty.